Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. So, wow, today, well, in the post-market guys, we are already above the all-time highs and structure on Nvidia is still bullish. Well, we'll talk about everything in the price section, what things I'm looking at, where are the tomorrow's opportunities, either on the upside or to the downside. We'll cover both directions. And also, I'll take you over QQQ and SPY. I won't get time today to talk about QQQ and SPY. Okay, I'll do a video on QQQ and SPY as well separately because I want to talk about Apple there. Yeah, well, I'll still show you QQ and SPY in this video, sorry, and then we'll see if the time allows if I can do Apple as well. But anyways, and I'll take you over other semiconductors as well in this video. So with that, hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So let's begin. Now, so right away, what is the structure telling us? Well, we are still bullish. We have higher lows and higher highs, and today looks like we are in the formation of next continuation of the high. Structure is not bearish. Structure has been holding all the pivots. Like now we have another level of 117 to watch, and above that structure is still bullish right now. And as I said, we are already above in the post-market 125 and 52 cents. As if we continue higher, which I'll show you in just a minute on hourly interval, that's just a continuation to the upside, guys. The structure on Nvidia is not bearish. Structure is still going to the upside. So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about what is it telling us, right? Let me just something real quick on my indicator and let's talk about a couple of plans that we can do here with the price. So yeah, on intraday as well, we do have a pivot, right? And the next pivot is also like it's all higher highs, higher lows, guys. Even on intraday price action, we are bullish. Now tomorrow, if any pullback comes, great, but 125 and 58 cents, it's intraday just a pullback. It can be bought up here in just my opinion. And also if it falls much lower, watch the 20 hours moving average. In my opinion, it might be bought up over there as well. And yes, that's the potential play on this. It's not complicated. Now have a stop loss regardless. What I would do is this is how I usually trade is when I have two levels and price is extended quite a lot. What I usually do is I go in size 1, little bit small, and my day trading pot helps in that. And then I go, I keep my, if another opportunity comes, I keep my portfolio size in the position in a way that I can enter the second position as well, thus averaging my cost with the stop loss below that structure. So in this case, because I'm seeing that we are a little bit extended, quite extended, right? So next day, if this thing has to just go up from here or a little bit of pullback and I don't want to waste just sitting around small position, I can buy in. And then if it falls much lower, a little bit more until it's still above 20 hours moving average. And then this is the final straw though, 123 and 91 cents. If we break below it, that's a structure break then. And then, yeah, then I would not want to hold my long position. But technically, time to buy is here in the pivots, in this demand zone that I talked about. And then these are the times to take partial profits. But as for intraday, for tomorrow, that this is the way I would trade that I just told you, that pullbacks little I'll buy, and then stop loss around 123 and 91 cents. And if any, or well, there's another case, right? What if the supply zone has to form? So if you see Nvidia gaps lower, 125 and 58 cents, and you don't see any consolidation, like you don't buy at these levels blindly. You have to see at the lower time frame things like, yeah, let's go to the lower time frame so that I can show you a couple of more things as well. So let me show you my day trading bot as well. And today also was a profitable day. And again, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. There are red days as well. Yeah, but we are still net profitable. All right. So yeah, so what you have to see is that consolidation of these types, right? Like price action holding a certain area, it's consolidating after going down and then slowly and slowly going up, those are the times in the uptrend to buy. So that's something I will be watching to buy at those levels. If the price is just falling and I'm not seeing any of this consolidation, but it's just falling, I'm not going to buy a falling knife. So just explaining you that as well. So and another positive sentiment can be kept with Nvidia is that as long as it's above, oh well, let's go to actually 5 minutes. 200 moving average on 5 minutes is better for this purpose, this analysis in this case. So yeah, I would say 123 and 91 cents is the area. I would say that could be the stop loss zone actually. Otherwise, slowly and slowly, just trickle into the pullbacks. Right now, it's hard to trade downside on Nvidia in my opinion. But again, if it breaks, let's say for any reason 123 and 92 cents, or we don't see any consolidation while breaking the level of 125 area, and we just kept falling like a falling knife, and then we just see a dead cat bounce, yeah, that's not sufficient enough to play long. But yeah, right now bulls have still more control on Nvidia. All right, and guys, if you need access to my tools, links in the description below. All right, so yeah, right now I'm not seeing structure to the downside. If I'll see, I'll talk about it. Yeah, but right now things are still bullish. There is another pivot, this blue box that we have here, and yeah, there is this pivot that I am still seeing that above this we are still bullish. Yeah, which coincides with I think the pretty much the level. Well, yeah. So here's the thing: if you are looking for a near term another pivot point, let's say if we lose 123.90 cents and that gives some more cool off, but yeah, it's technically still bullish. There's another good pivot at 121 and 94 cents for some potential back upside again. So the thing is that pullbacks with the price action on lower time frame showing consolidation and support can be just bought up intraday long plays. That's because that's the direction Nvidia is. And all right, guys, I spent good amount of time just explaining that. But anyways, hope it makes sense. And yeah, I hope TradingView fixes this glitch. There's no wick that's supposed to be here. It's just TradingView's glitch. All right, let's go to AMD. Well, so AMD, as you know, in the morning when I talked about it, this was going against my position. It is back in my short position, like it's still green for me in the short side. So I'm still holding position, guys. But yeah, I definitely want to see it break tomorrow 158 and 81 cents. If it doesn't do that, then if it starts to go sideways again with semiconductors still going up, there could be an issue. Let's take a look at Broadcom has their earnings today, right? So we'll take a look at that in just a second. And so ARM is bullish. Just looking at other semiconductors, I'm pretty sure Broadcom is doing great, but post-market ARM is still up, guys. So ARM is already 164, very close the levels that I have been saying. So yeah, it's going up for that. Is it going to sell off at 164? Who knows? But the structure is still bullish, guys. If you start to sell off there, you are watching the level of 149 and 52 cents. That's just a structural support on this. Even right now, if 149 or 150 is still a structural support on it. We are higher highs, higher lows, full on. Oh yeah, this is bullish. I have been saying the time to buy this was at these pivots. All right, that's that. These are the time to take partial profits. Broadcom. So Broadcom, guys, Broadcom is at 1700 in the post market. So yeah, let's go to the hourly interval. Here you go. There is the big, going up the candles. Here you go. So Broadcom reported they beat the estimate. That's fine. How big of a difference is it from last quarter? That's what I'm interested in. So let's go back to the daily interval real quick. And so their earning EPS was last time 10.99 and this time is 10.96. It's not that much. Wall Street even had the lower, well, sure, they had higher expectations but as well, but revenue last time 11.96 billion and this time, yeah, it's higher, but is it that high that it's supposed to go this high? Well, it's just this, things are just going up. Anyway, so yeah, Broadcom is bullish. I think tomorrow pullbacks are just going to be bought back up on this. And this may take other semiconductors more or higher with it. So yeah, yeah, that's quite a strong reaction. But yeah, pullbacks on this are just a buy, guys, in my opinion. SMCI. So let's go to the daily interval first. So this thing is, yeah, well, it didn't really go above that level, right? 804. So it's just a waiting game. If it breaks below 762, it's just a flush. Otherwise, yeah, right now I'm just waiting, not playing any of this play. The last play that I took here was profitable, and the remaining, if I go another play, I'm waiting for 762 flush to the downside. Micron. Micron is bullish, period. I mean, right now there's good structure support at 134 as well, but I've been saying this is just bullish, 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 all these pivots. This is the time to take partial profits. And yeah, this is full on bullish, guys. Anyways, let's take a look at QQ and SPY. Let's see if Broadcom, yeah, you can see in the post-market QQ is up as well. Structure is bullish, guys. I mean, I know you're getting tired of me just saying structure is bullish. Well, it's bullish, so it's bullish. I'm not seeing any structure to the downside. There's a good support at 465 right now. Pullbacks can be just bought back up. QQ, let's take a look at hourly interval. Yeah, all right, I gotta adjust something on my indicator here. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, guys, well, yeah, no, still bullish. It will be some cool off play. If we lose tomorrow 472 and 73 cents, then some cool off may come, but only to the level of 468 because structure all in all is still bullish on this. Otherwise, yeah, it just can keep going up. SPY, structure is still bullish. Yeah, if we stay above 540, this can just continue higher. If we break 540, some cool off may come only to 537, but nothing more than that right now in that direction. But yeah, 536 is a really good support right now on SPY. It's a complete new territory as well for SPY. Yeah, this one red candle is not going to change for the structure right now unless it shows me some confirmations. But anyways, I provided the levels and how things may roll intraday. Just trade with those level long or short as if those levels works out just as I provided. All right, well guys, that's it for this video. And yeah, I'll just show you real quick Apple, guys. I'm still not sure if I'll get time to talk about Apple in separate video, but as I have been saying even yesterday that this is just bullish, and it's still bullish. If I take you to the hourly interval, there's some sell-off happened last hour, and right now, this is pretty much where it is. You can just be watching this level. If we break below the level of 212, you can expect some cool off may come, but to the level of 207 only. But if we break above 214, it can just stay up here and maybe retest the all-time highs again, or just keep going higher. But yeah, these are the two levels to watch on Apple for intraday. All in all, structure for the swing is bearish, period. Alright guys, well yeah, that's it for this video, and if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.